one last look at it. It'll be up for auction in the morning.
Come on now, Don. No baby's doing it for close until Monday.
Oh, Don, it wasn't that bad.
No, there's no use kidding myself. Once they release the dueling cavalier, Lockwood and Lamont are through.
So things went wrong with the snap. If you just get this technical end straightened out.
No, it wasn't that. Something happened to me tonight. What? Everything you said about me is true, Kathy. I'm no actor. I never was. Just a lot of dumb show. I know that now.
Well, at least you're taking it lying down.
Thanks, Cosmo. Have you seen anything as idiotic as me on that screen tonight?
Yeah? How about Lena?
Don, you're not through.
Why, of course not. With your fine figure and your fine looks, you could drive an ice wagon, or shine shoes,
Block hats.
sell pencils,
Dig ditches.
or worse still, go back to vaudeville. Fit as a fiddle, ready for love, I jump over the window above.
Oh my gosh, too bad I didn't do that in Dueling Cavalier. You might have liked it.
Well, why don't you?
What?
Make a musical.
Yeah, make a musical picture. Wait a second. Why don't you turn the Dueling Cavalier into a musical?
That's impossible.
Why? You've got 6 weeks before it's released.
Sure. Add a couple of new songs and dances, trim the bad scenes, and put in a couple of new ones.
It's a cinch.
Yeah, but do you think I can do it?
Of course he can do it.
No, you're right. We can make this into a musical. Hot dog!
Hallelujah.
Listen, if this happens, this day will go down into history. March 13th.
No, your day is not the 13th, it's the 14th.
The 14th? What?
It's 1:30 already. It's morning.
Yes. And what a lovely morning. Good.